Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So in this video we are going to look at Sculpfun S9 Laser Engraving machine and 7 amazing things that you can do with it. So let's begin. Okay guys, here are all items that come out of the package. To make their machines more versatile, Sculpfun has made some accessories that you have to buy separately. Now let's set up the laser and see it in the action. Alright guys, as you have seen, this laser machine is really capable. You can easily engrave or cut various type of material with it. I have also used it to cut the softwood of 50 mm which turned out to be very easy. I definitely recommend this machine if you are looking for a new laser engraver. Links are in the description box. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.